Welcome back, to you and to me. One depressing night, I was eating pasta, and the saddest thing I found out was that I kept having to reach into the bowl and grab more. For a devastated Lickcoffee, this was too much hand movement. How can I sulk in pasta when there's no pasta? My massive brain, really massive, realized I only needed one noodle. That way, my hand gets rest as my mouth gets to work. Okay, I'm going to boil this now to show you. Oh yeah, one more thing. The man being filmed here is not me. That's why his hands suck at matching up to my voice. Side note, is like the funniest thing ever. Oh shit. Boiling one pasta. I can't even do the trick of slapping it against the wall. Because the one I'm slapping is the one I'm gonna eat. Anyways, just wait, it will cook. Side note, real life Lickcoffee over here. Anyways, you're gonna be seeing me a bit because I'm ruining this process. I made a bit of pasta sauce to go with my single noodle. Oh god, I ruined it. It's half oil. It's literally just half olive oil and half tomato sauce with a bit of salt in it. Anyways, you guys don't have to worry about this. You know what? It'll be great. Okay, so the noodle's done. Shit. We're gonna have to do the throat test. Bon voyage. Yes! Let's go! So here's what noodle pasta looks like. And ignore the sauce, hold on. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Back to the voiceover. If you really want to know what it tastes like, imagine eating a single noodle of pasta. Now, the biggest current issue is the lack of pasta. But this is where my brain gained a fold. I mean a valley. Why don't I just make the single pasta noodle bigger? That way, I have my single pasta, and now I have a full meal. The problem is, no company has a big enough brain like mine to make the single noodle a reality. That means I must make the pasta myself. Thanks allrecipes.com, I'm going to transform your pasta into the second coming of Christ. So onto a flat bench goes 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, make into a well and add an egg and 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure when you do this to cock up your well and then desperately try to fold in the flour afterwards. Now start screaming and start kneading until a dough forms. Perfection. The time lapse you are seeing took about 10 minutes and a lot of lovingly good rage. So if you ever try this like me, make sure your dough feels like it's being confronted by not so sober dad after losing a match at the pub. After 30 minutes, it's now time to roll out the dough. And let's just say, unless you like your pasta like your friend's thighs, do not use a rolling pin. This is because after a while, the girth was immense. Now this is the finished product, and this is me staring at what on earth my dough had become. It's now back to the freak to see how he's gonna cook it. I don't think it really shows on camera how much, I mean, from there, I could wear it like a scarf, I guess. Anyways, water's gonna boil. I think I need a bit more sauce though. Okay. Pasta's boiling. It's time. moisture is not fully submerged. Honestly, the cookie crust is going pretty well. I thought that the pasta would almost disintegrate. I'm not sure why I thought of that now. It's actually keeping good shape because of how thick it is. So anyways, there's one more minute left, and then we'll plate it up and then have a big old slurp. Okay, it's done. And I'm really tempted to throw it against the wall again. The only problem, I don't think I can get a good enough grip on it, because it's just massive. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the colander, to be honest, and see how it goes from there. This is gonna work. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be throwing this against the wall anytime soon. That would have been amazing though. Yes! We're gonna cut the audio here, as the next clip is gruesome. So I kind of succeeded. I have one long noodle of pasta and it fills the bowl. But let me tell you, this was hard to eat. I said earlier that I didn't want to move my hands because I'm wasting so much energy doing that. But let me tell you, the mouth was lacking big time. Here's me finishing up my hard work and being exhausted from eating a meal. Anyways, I'm never doing this again. Catch you later. Yeah, we're doing this again. Welcome back to a week ago when I picked up my courage. Obviously, I did not learn anything from last time because I messed up the well again. But that dough was beat in record time, as you can see. Now, you might be panicking as the rolling pin is fully floured and ready for use. But sit tight. Soon it will be abandoned in pursuit of new techniques, such as the roller, the Chinese banging thing, and eventually the roller again. What's really incredible at this is how long the noodle actually got. Sure, it would break sometimes, and it was too thin or too fat other places. But my god, it's a single noodle. God damn. Anyways, here's a wonderful spiral of my finished product. I'm very scared about cooking this one, honestly. Why? Because look how thin they are. Last time was a big wad of pasta. Now I've got a spiral. So I think, I'm hoping it doesn't break apart as I cook it. Oh, this is definitely not gonna go wrong at all. Oh my god. I can feel the pressure. Alright, here we go. To the pot. Shake it. Make sure the pasta is spread. Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Pretend there's pasta in here. Oh my god! Look at that. Wait. How are we gonna tell if it's cooked? No! Oh my god, the damage continues. Shit! Anyways, as you can see, we have a large amount of spaghetti now. So much, I could be Will Smith. I am a spaghetti god at this point. Now, as the heap was being slammed against the fridge, the noodles split. So now we watch as I crudely tie the whole noodle back together and reunite it for a final slurp. Now the moment of truth. Can I do it in one slurp? And no, of course not. Anyways, that's pretty much the end of this disaster. If you really want me to finish this heap, it'll be in the outro. Trust me, you don't want to see it. Like the sauce. I ran out of tomato sauce again. It's just oil and salt. You really don't want to see it. I don't know when I'll post next. Hopefully soon though. Until then, goodbye and catch you later. Thanks for watching. Oh my god. You're watching me eat food. Do you have nothing better to do today? Can you go outside? It's a beautiful day. Birds are chirping, That doesn't happen these days. Me eating spaghetti, that happens every day. It's nothing special, really. I don't even like spaghetti. You're done now. There's no more spaghetti. See ya.